All right, let's talk about how you can use AI to automate faceless Minecraft videos. Now, I know what you're thinking, but trust me, this could be a total game changer for you as a creator. If you've ever felt like you're just running out of hours in the day to make the content you love, well, you're going to want to stick around for this. And I'm not kidding. What if I told you that you could save over 20 hours every single week while creating viral videos in one of the biggest niches on YouTube? It's not some far-off dream, it's really happening. So if you're ready for more AI secrets like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for @BrandTechAuth right now. Let's get into it. You know, there is a massive gold rush happening right now in the world of Minecraft content, specifically faceless content. I mean, think about it. It's the best-selling game of all time, with a huge audience that is always hungry for more videos. And if you need proof, just look at the numbers. Channels like Nerd Out are pulling in an incredible 4 million views every single month. And the crazy part, they're doing it with these faceless, AI-assisted videos that are actually pretty simple to create once you know the system. So what does 4 million views even mean in real money? Well, based on the ad rates in the gaming world, we're talking about an estimated $20,000 to $30,000 a month. Yeah, this is way beyond a simple side hustle. For a lot of people, this is a full-blown business. And it's not just the huge channels making this work either. Check this out. This is from a creator on Reddit who shared that they built a super profitable channel from scratch, all without ever showing their face. It just goes to show you, with the right strategy, this is totally achievable. Okay, so if the opportunity is this big, you gotta wonder, why isn't everybody doing it? Well, the answer is pretty simple. Time. The old way of making videos, scripting, recording, editing, it's an absolute monster. It can take dozens of hours for just a single video. And this slide right here really just drives the whole point home. I mean, look at the difference. If you do it manually, you're looking at 20, maybe 25 hours for one video, but with an AI workflow, you crush that down to just 2 or 3 hours. That's a revolutionary amount of time you get back. So that brings us to the solution, right? A whole suite of AI tools that basically acts as your own personal automated production studio. Seriously, think of it as the ultimate shortcut for creators. It handles all the tedious stuff so you can get back to being, creative. And this new AI toolkit, it really covers the entire production line. AI can help you generate viral ideas and write the scripts. It can create professional voiceovers and even custom music. Then it can generate all your visuals and animations and even help you automate the editing. It's the whole shebang, from start to finish. Okay, so we've seen the potential. We know what's possible, but how do you actually do it? Let's dive into the practical steps. I'm about to show you how you can create a really high-quality video in a tiny fraction of the time. We are talking minutes here, not days. The whole workflow really just breaks down into 4 simple steps. First, we find a killer idea. Second, we create all the audio. Third, we generate the visuals. And last, we put it all together. It's like having your own little assembly line for creating content. So step 1 is all about having a smart strategy. Forget just guessing what might work. With a tool like TubeMagic, you can literally analyze successful channels and instantly get a whole list of video ideas that are already proven to be popular. This is your secret weapon to kill writer's block for good. Now for step 2, the audio. This is where AI just completely blows the old way out of the water. A human voiceover takes time, it takes expensive gear, but with an AI tool like 11 Labs, you can generate a perfect, human-sounding voiceover from text in just a few seconds. And for music, a tool like Suno.ai can create an entire original song from just a simple prompt. It's wild. All right, now for the visuals. Forget spending hours and hours trying to record the perfect shot in-game. With an AI image generator like Midjourney, your imagination is literally the only limit. You want a Minecraft creeper blowing up a wall of diamonds? Just type it in. In seconds, you'll have these incredible, totally unique images ready to go. And finally, step 4, where we put it all together. You take those amazing images from Midjourney and bring them to life using a tool like Luma Labs, which can turn any picture into a short animated clip. Then you just drop your audio and your new video clips into an editor like CapCut, add a few transitions, and boom, your video is done. So you've made your first video in record time. That is awesome. But the real power here isn't just making one video. No, it's about having a system that lets you launch content, learn from what works, and then repeat the process over and over again at scale. What you've just built isn't just a shortcut. It's a content engine. It's a system for pumping out a nearly endless stream of high-quality, super engaging, faceless videos, almost on autopilot. This is how you compete and win as a creator today.
So, the tools are here, the workflow is proven, and your brand new AI co-producer is basically just sitting there waiting for its first command. So the only real question left is, what are you going to create first?